This is CNN Breaking News.
Good evening, Anderson. I'm here reporting live from Key West, Florida, where our very own Jeffrey Toobin, that paragon of virtue, that ethical gladiator, was spotted today. And get this, Anderson, he wasn't jerking off. That's right. I know he did it on the Zoom call, but down here, he wasn't doing anything untoward, okay? No stroking the man meat, no playing with the trouser snake, no pumping and dumping, all right? Nothing funny. Just eating a key lime pie and after going out to the beach and lathering himself in baby oil. Nothing untoward, even though his boyfriend sat on him. And he seemed to be having some weird spinach dip. Okay? So, Toobin is a great legal analyst. I love when he pontificates on the Rittenhouse trial with great elitist grandeur. And we turn to him to know right from wrong. Forget about jerking off in front of all of our co-workers. Toobin is the man. And I just wanted to let you know that we all support him. We all think he is terrific. And the fact is, he's not a pedophile. Which, in this day and age on CNN, pretty much means you're top of the line.